Right here, you are seeing almost 300 Assembleon feeders from 8mm all the way up to 15.6mm, all refurbished and ready. For the past 7 days, our engineers have been working non-stop, testing, repairing, adjusting, cleaning. These days are routine for them, but each one is done with patience and care. Why all the effort? Because when our customer comes back from vacation, we want this long-awaited package to be ready without delay. And here's something important. Every feeder, whether it's original new or used, go through spec checks. If it doesn't pass, we don't keep it. If it's reliable, it stays. And only the best ones are sent out to our customers. That's how we work. Simple, careful, and always putting quality first.